Hey, a lot of the time I've had clients come to me for advice on how to make a difficult decision in their life. And so I thought I'd make this quick video to share with you what I found helpful. While yes, a pros and cons list is usually very helpful, it's not great when it comes to making a very difficult decision, because if it could just be solved with a pros and cons list, it wouldn't actually be a difficult decision. So what can you do? The thing that I try and do when I'm making a difficult decision in my own life is I focus on my values. What is it that I value that will be affected by this decision? Okay, so for example, let's say that you are deciding between moving to another country or staying where you are. And this is a big, complex decision with a whole long list of pros and cons. So a good place to start is by looking at what you value by staying and what you value by leaving. For example, staying might serve your values of familiarity, of certainty, of security, whereas leaving might be in line with values of being with family or being adventurous or embracing change. And while all of these are important values, it's often easier to prioritize our values at a certain point in our life. For example, while I really do value security and familiarity, and I generally am such a creature of habit, at this point in my life, I would rather prioritize being adventurous and making changes. Okay guys, I hope you found that helpful and that you start to live more and more of your life in line with what you really value. And if you're interested in working therapeutically with me, I'm currently offering a free consultation session, which is just a chance for you to meet me and to see if online therapy would work for you. I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, cheers.